we got this sweet Yokohama. It's our cruiser. This is like kind of our medium-sized one. We have a really micro one. This is my personal favorite shape and size because honestly, it's got a tail, a little bit of concave. You can kickflip this thing. They're really fun to ride. So we got the Los Angeles Yokohama Candy Edition. So yeah, it's brand new. We still got everything sealed on it. So one of you lucky people are gonna take home this bad boy. And this is for the month of July too. So if this video gets, let's say 200 likes, we'll give away the longboard I just set up for the month of August. And to go ahead and like the video, submit a comment, put your username for Instagram or whatever. Just let us know that you watched the video and that you're engaging, and that's going to enter you into the raffle kind of giveaway for the longboard I just did. So let's see. You know how we do it. Alright, we'll go with the yellow and yellow. How about that? So let's see what we got. And our winner is, get it right, B_Almighty712. So let's go ahead and get a clip of that. So congratulations, you're getting a cruiser board. So we'll be contacting you and we'll get it sent out. Thank you so much. When you get our product, if you can just give us a little shout out, that way we can continue to do these things. But congrats, happy summer, and yeah, get to cruising. I'm out.